In this video, I'll be making a roll-up curtain for the sliding door on our camper van conversion. In the last video, I fitted all of the curtains to the van, and in this one, I'll be using some of the leftover curtain material to make a curtain slash blind for the sliding door. It's the same thermal and blackout material as the curtains in the front and the back of the van. First up, I cut it to size and then removed the part that you attach curtain hooks to. And I'm going to be using a piece of PVC trim to fit this to the sliding door. I then headed inside to get the material made into a curtain. We don't have a sewing machine, so I used some of the heat activated sewing tape to do the hems. I pinned it and then ironed it to make a crease, and then put the tape in and ironed it to melt the glue. Really simple and surprisingly strong and durable as long as you fully melt the glue. Then back into the van where I glued the curtain onto the PVC trim. I just used super glue for this. It only has to hold for the fit in because the PVC trim will basically clamp the curtain to the van door. Apologies for the poor camera angle here, but what I'm doing is screwing the PVC trim to the door using some self-tapping screws. The curtain's rolled over this before fitting, which leaves a perfect edge at the top and fully hides the trim. With the curtain fitted, I added some velcro straps which allow the curtain to be rolled up and held in place. So this is the finished curtain, blind, whatever you want to call it, roller curtain blind thing, and it's dead easy to undo. It's just on velcro tabs, so you just undo the velcro, rolls down, and then when you want to obviously roll it back up, if you're on a hill, you can also tuck it into there so it stops the light coming in the side. Yeah, when you want to roll it back, you just get the two ends and roll it back up, dead easy. Roll, roll, roll. Then your velcro just tabs into there, velcro to there, velcro to there, and velcro to there, and you're done, and it's all tied up and out the way. So yeah, blackout again, same as the front and back curtains, it matches them as well. So it's blackout and thermal, so it keeps all the light out but also keeps the heat out. So again, spot on and perfect for a camper van. In the next van video, I'll be working on the gas and getting the hob fitted. As always, thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one.